Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add icons in Penpot. Okay, so first up, I'm just going to go ahead and show you right here. We have projects. And as you can see, I have here prime icons, okay, also material designs. Now, if you want to upload or use icons in your Penpot account, so just go ahead over to libraries and templates right here. Okay, you'll be able to see a ton of icons like lucid icons. Okay, or just click on libraries and templates and it will redirect you to the Penpot libraries. Okay, and here just gotta select icons that you want, download it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I already have this, I think. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and use Circum Icons Pack right here. I'm gonna download it and wait for download page to pop up. Right here, click on download file, desktop, save. Okay, wait for it. Now it's done. Go back to your projects, click on the plus sign right here. Now to upload it, just click on three dots right here and import Penpot files. Okay, select the downloaded icons, okay, or icon file, hit on open, wait for it, hit on continue, and wait for the accept button to pop out. Accept. There you go. It's now been added. Now what you'll do is just go ahead over to a file, double click. Now go ahead over to assets, click on manage library. Now select the newly updated or uploaded file, click on the plus sign. There you go. And it will be added right here at the bottom left. So just close this one. Here we have it. Okay. Components, graphics. There you go. Just drag and drop if you want to use it. Okay. And you're good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.